I just wanted to make a quick video to show you what to do if you open the export tool of the puzzle generator and you see this message here: security risk, Microsoft has blocked macros from running because the source of this file is untrusted. And now obviously you can put all your data in like so, and if you try to export, you'll get this error message here: cannot run the macro because it may not be available, or all macros may be disabled. Thankfully, it's a quick and easy fix. All you need to do is right click on the file and then go to properties, and then down the bottom where it says security, this file comes from another computer and might be blocked to help protect this computer. So all you got to do is hit unblock and then OK. And then now if I close this and then I reopen it in Excel, just wait for that to load, you'll see now I no longer have that message, and if I try to export my data, it works successfully. So I hope this quick video helps you unblock the file if needed. If you do have any questions or need any further help, please do just leave a comment below. Thank you.